Challenging the FIRs registered by Tripura Police over the reports on communal violence in the state, the media company Theos Connect, which operates the digital news portal HW News Network, and two of the journalists Samriddhi Sakunia and Swarna Jha and its associate editor Aarti Gargi have approached the Supreme Court. The court on Friday accepted the request made by Advocate Sandeep S. Deshmukh for urgent listing of the petition. A bench led by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud will consider the matter on December 8, 2021. Tripura Police registered the FIR alleging that the reports of the journalist promoted enmity between groups and spread communal hatred by publishing baseless news about communal violence. The petitioners challenged the police action by saying that they were doing only ground reporting of facts based on versions given by the victims of the violence. The petitioners have sought the following reliefs: quashing FIR registered at Tripura under sections 120B, 153A, 504 of IPC, co-petitioners; quashing FIR 82 under sections 153A, 153B, 193, 204, 120B, 504 of Indian Penal Code. Alternatively, seeking transfer of FIRs to competent court in Delhi, as there is an apparent risk and threat to life of petitioners in Tripura. The petitioners have further argued that the offence of hate speech alleged against them is bizarre, as the journalist's endeavour was fact-finding and ground reporting of the communal riots which took place in Tripura. It has also been argued that these FIRs against the two journalists are inspired by politics, as the reports of the petitioners had is no element of purported spreading of hatred and enmity between any community. The petitioner journalists were analyzing the said reports and proceedings, and to cover the story from ground and disseminate correctness of the reports, they proceeded to Tripura. According to the petition, both the journalists had reported the complaints raised regarding attack on mosque and minority communities during a VHP rally on October 26, 2021. The petition has stated that after a complaint was filed alleging that the two journalists delivered instigating speech against Hindus, the police arrived at a hotel of the two journalists at night and kept them in their hotel lobby next morning without any warrant. An FIR was filed against the two alleging criminal conspiracy to provoke breach of peace and were served Section 41A notice with 7 days' time to appear before the police authorities. The petitioners have submitted that the very objective of the press is to supplement the public interest by printing facts and opinions, without which citizens cannot make well-informed judgments, and freedom of press is in the crux of social and political intercourse. Therefore, it has been argued that it is the paramount duty of the judiciary to probe the freedom of the press and refute all laws and executive actions that interfere with it as opposed to constitutional provisions. Bureau Report, Hallabol.